In a world crowded with tech rollouts and battery battles, the 2026 Prius Plug-in Hybrid isn't just disrupting. It's optimizing. 4 grades designed to inspire, including the bold new Nightshade model, all deliver electrifying plug-in hybrid performance in a tech-savvy, futuristic package. With a sharp silhouette and enough EV range to make weekday commutes feel like a life hack, Prius Plug-in Hybrid goes far beyond the daily drive. It offers all-electric mode for shorter distances, while easily switching up to traditional hybrid mode, with access to widespread fuel networks for longer trips. That's all Prius. That's no compromise. This generation of Prius Plug-in Hybrid isn't chasing speed, it's embracing evolution. Powered by an advanced 2.0-liter plug-in hybrid system, it features a high-capacity traction battery with an up to EPA-estimated 44-mile EV-only range, all while maintaining the freedom to pivot into hybrid mode on demand. For drivers who don't need plug-in capability, the standard Prius Hybrid delivers impressive efficiency and versatility also. With 220 net combined horsepower and the ability to accelerate from 0 to 60 in just 6.6 seconds, Prius Plug-in Hybrid delivers confidence and capability. And when it comes time to recharge, it's just as convenient, going from 0 to full in approximately 4 hours with a level 2 charger under ideal conditions. Its McPherson strut, front and multi-link rear suspension strikes a balance between comfort and sharp handling, and the up to EPA estimated 52 miles per gallon combined rating speaks volumes. Keep driving. Prius Plug-in Hybrid's exterior is designed to turn heads, without trying too hard. Clean lines, a tighter lighting profile, and just the right amount of edge deliver a presence that's future-forward yet totally grounded. LED headlights give it a confident, high-tech look, while its sleek body slices through air like second nature. Available 19-inch alloy wheels and standard full-width LED taillights complete the vision. Style and functionality merge with available features like a fixed glass roof and power liftback for effortless access. The available solar charging roof takes innovation further, helping recharge the traction battery while parked or supporting electrical systems on the move. And for those seeking even more drama, the Nightshade grade makes a statement with blacked-out accents, including exterior badges, door sills, bumper trim, shark fin antenna, and alloy wheels. Step inside, and the Prius Plug-in Hybrid feels like it's finished its download. With the available digital key and voice-activated features, the cabin becomes an intuitive extension of modern life. A standard 7-inch top-mount digital gauge cluster floats above the wheel for easy viewing, while soft text trim seats, ambient lighting, and automatic climate control create a calm, lounge-like atmosphere, whether you're on a road trip or a corner store run. Nightshade brings unique flair with black fabric trim seats, gray stitching, and a carbon fiber dash detail that adds just the right edge. Comfort comes built in with a heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, while available features like heated and ventilated front seats and heated outboard rear seats take it a step further. Plus, a standard Qi-compatible wireless charger and 6 USB-C ports ensure mobile devices stay fully powered, wherever the road leads. The Prius Plug-in Hybrid's Toyota audio multimedia system is built for seamless connection. A standard 8-inch or available 12.3-inch touchscreen anchors the experience, with wireless Apple CarPlay integration that brings key iPhone apps like Maps, Messages, and Music front and center. Android users stay equally connected through wireless Android Auto compatibility, providing access to Google services, including Maps and YouTube Music. Every Prius Plug-in Hybrid includes a 3-month SiriusXM trial with over 165 channels in cabin, and even more via the app, offering everything from ad-free music to sports, comedy, and beyond. Each grade also includes trial access to Toyota's connected services, including Safety Connect, Service Connect, Remote Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, and Drive Connect. And for those who value their soundtrack, the available 8-speaker JBL premium audio system with subwoofer and amplifier turn every drive into a private concert. Prius Plug-in Hybrid comes equipped with Toyota's latest driver assistance features. Every grade comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist. Standard blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert adds another layer of assurance. Additional available features like front and rear parking assist with automatic braking, advanced park, and the panoramic view monitor offer extra confidence when maneuvering in tight spaces. And for those navigating more complex conditions, available features like front cross traffic alert, lane change assist, and traffic jam assist, activated with an Active Drive Connect trial or subscription, elevate driver support in congested conditions on controlled access freeways. The 2026 Prius Plug-in Hybrid is built with refined purpose. Ultra-efficient, tech-optimized, and smartly designed, it's tailored for those who appreciate innovation that stays in the background, quietly making life easier. Every Prius Plug-in Hybrid comes with Toyota Care, which provides 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first, of scheduled maintenance and 3 years unlimited mileage of 24-hour roadside assistance. Prius Plug-in Hybrid is also backed by a hybrid system warranty covering select components for 8 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first, and a battery warranty for 10 years or 150,000 miles, delivering confidence that goes the distance. The 2026 Prius Plug-in Hybrid. Experience more at toyota.com.